Hello viewers, you're welcome to another SMC tutorial video, and in today's video we'll be guiding you on how to navigate through the NOTHINGIO Telegram mining app. So before we get started, if you find our video tutorial helpful, do well to buy our educational token WikiCat, which is built on the Binance Smart Chain network, and the contract address will be pinned in the description below this video. So let's get started. So for NOTHINGIO, it's a Telegram cloud mining which has been designed to duplicate the concluded Notcoin, and it says to be promising with the potential of meeting or even surpassing the Notcoin. So it's important for us to take advantage of this and uncover all the potential before the coin launches. So I'll be taking you on how to mine this NOTHINGIO coin. So what you'll be needing is a NOTHINGIO referral link and also your Telegram account. So getting the referral link, and it will redirect us to the Telegram account. So here is a nothing, and you click on mine. Let's go. Here we are. I already have 1046 words of nothing, so we just got to tap. We tap. You tap until you exceed your 1000 tap, and once you're done tapping, you also have boost. So you click on the boost and it redirects you to the boost page, so you can actually refill. You can actually click on nitro speed. Nitro speed increases how much you tap, so from 1 plus 1 it becomes plus 6. So you tap, so you have more additions to it. You tap, and as you're using the nitro, the 1000 is no longer counting down until the nitro finishes. Now it has gone back to 1. So you tap. So the other thing you can do is to check the friends. Here is the friends. You can actually copy the link and invite friends. It's easy. Just copy your link over here, invite a friend, copy your link, and you've gotten your link. So you can actually transfer it to any of your friends. So we'll go back into the page. Then here is tax. There are so many tasks you have to do, and this will give you accumulation of Notcoin. So this is a daily reward. You can click on the daily reward every day, but for now it's unavailable. But the days that is not available to be compensated to us. So you just have to do your tax, and you have more coin, accumulated coin. So here is for spin, but the icon for spin is not yet available, so it will be coming up soon. So the major thing we need to do here is actually to tap. So we keep tapping till we get as much coin as possible. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question regarding this video, do well to drop it at the comment section. Please like and subscribe to our page. Turn on the post notification to see more educative content. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.